People fall asleep during the remembrance of the name of Allah. With the satanic influence. If you want, you can verify the truth. So, if any one of you go to the bed and want to sleep, you should remember the name of Allah. Al Hadith Al Adabul Mufrad, Hadith number 1225.